Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave a response to a review from a customer on your Etsy account. If you sold an item to a customer, they left you not so much of a great review, you're allowed to make a public response. Now bear in mind, you can only respond to customer reviews of 3 stars or less. So if a customer left you a 1, 2, or 3-star review, you can post a public response. Other than that, you cannot. But I'm going to show you how to do it on desktop, and then I'll quickly tell you how to do it on mobile. So let's jump right into it. All right, everyone, we're currently on my PC. So of course you're going to want to head over to Etsy.com and make sure you're logged into the account that you wish to post a response to. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to head over to your Shop Manager tab over here. Once that loads up here, over on the left under Sales Channel, if you have multiple channels, they'll all be listed here. I only have one, but just click on the one that you want to post a response to. Once you're in here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down. You'll see a reviews section here. These are all the reviews for your channel. Now, you can report a review if it violates terms and conditions, but most of the times they do not. So you're just going to want to scroll down till you find the review that you want to leave the reply to. You have multiple pages down here. So we're going to find one of them that has a 1-star review that was just posted, and I want to do a reply. All right, everyone, here is the one I want to reply to. Laura, she purchased on July 16th. She gave me a 1-star review, no comment, and she never contacted me to tell me that she was not, happy with her purchase. Otherwise, I would have worked with her. I even contacted the buyer first to ask her, hey, can we fix this? And, if you'd like to return the item or maybe edit your review. Never heard back from her. So the next step is to post a public response. You'll see a button here. Now, when you click this, be aware once you reply, you cannot edit it. So you really want to make sure what you type here is correct, all your punctuation is correct, your grammar, because once you publish it, you cannot edit it, nor can the buyer ever remove their comment. So this is kind of a permanent thing. But again, I tried to work with Laura. She never replied to me. And I want, future customers to, see our response as the seller. That we did try to work with this buyer. So all you're gonna have to do, type in your reply, hit post a public response, and that's all there is to it. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.